Hey guys, welcome back to the next Excel demonstration video. This is Will. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Excel formula if, so the if function in Excel. Basically what the if function does is it allows us to test if some condition is met, right? And if some condition is met, we get to tell Excel to provide some output, and if that condition is not met, to provide some other kind of output. Okay, so it's basically testing the value that's in some cell, and then if the value of that cell meets the criteria that we have, return this one value, and if it doesn't, return this other value. Okay, so let's have a go at that. So like all formulas in Excel, we can use the if function to get it started. So the equal sign to get it started. So we're going to go equals if open bracket. Okay. So let's say we had just some random list of numbers here, right? And we were just curious if the random number that we have here is greater than the value 5, right? We're just curious about this. So if we go equals if open bracket, select the value that we would like to test, greater than, right? So we're just curious, is this value greater than 5? So the condition we put in is the cell that we would like to check, and then greater than 5, okay? This would also work if our condition, say, was, if it was equal to 5, then we would simply change this to equals to 5. It would also work if we were curious if it was greater than or equal to 5, right? Or if our value, it's like, if our value here was less than 5, okay? So all of these are conditions that you can check in Excel, right? Let's say we would like to know, is our value here greater than 5, okay? Next, we need to tell Excel what to do if this condition is met. So let's say we would like it to return the phrase yes, right? Yes here just meaning yes, it's greater than 5, right? We need to put this in quotation marks because anytime you're telling Excel to interpret or to output some text, that text needs to be in quotation marks. Okay, let's say if the value is false, we just want to put it, or let it say no. Okay, all functions end with a closed bracket, enter. Okay, no, 3 is not greater than 5. Yes, that makes sense. Let's drag this down. Always a good idea to check that your formula is doing what you think it's doing. Okay, so it's saying yes, 8 is greater than 5. Yes, 8 and 7 are greater than 5, 6 and 9 are. Okay, it looks as though our formula is doing what we think it is. Okay. We don't only just have to check if the text or if the cell is equal to, greater than, or less than some number. We can also check if it contains a certain phrase, okay? So we can also go equals if, and then check if our value here, so the value here is cat, right? We can check, does this phrase here equal the phrase dog? Okay, so is the value in this cell equal to the phrase dog? If it is, let's say the phrase yes. Yes, it is saying dog. And if not, no. Okay, no, cat does not say dog. That makes sense. Let's drag this down. Yes, yes, it looks as though our formula is working now. Okay. There are other ways that we can work with the if formula. As long as the condition that you're putting into the first input of the if formula is something that can be logically tested. so something that returns the value true or false, then it can be inputted as that first input to the if formula. Okay. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.